Hi, welcome back to Basement Backgammon. On this episode, we'll be looking at problem 66 of Bill Robertie's 501 Essential Backgammon Problem Series. In this problem, Brown is being asked to play a 5-3, where we have a very awkward distribution of checkers. You can see for illustrative purposes, I've put all the checkers that Brown has. Brown has 7 checkers on the 13, and only has a builder here on the 8 and a builder on the 6. Now we're being asked to play a 5-3. There's some obvious plays, there's some not obvious plays. I gave you 10 seconds to decide what Brown should do with this, and hit the pause button if you need more time. Okay, and we're back. So if you've been watching this series, you'll know that Robertie favors flexibility in a lot of situations, and he does here too. The obvious play, of course, is to make the 3-point, but that is incorrect because it leaves us with no builders and a very big stack. So what Robertie says to do is do 13 to 5, giving you 3 more builders, giving up a point temporarily. I'll read you what Robertie has to say. The more awkward your distribution, the more points have to give way to flexibility. Black can make the 3-point. Brown, can make the 3-point, but it leaves him with stripped points and a huge stack. Much better is 13 to 5, which temporarily passes up a new point, but gives Brown some choices on the following turns. So what is Robertie saying here? You have it's pretty self-obvious, I think, in that description, but you have a large stack of checkers. We need to unstack those checkers in order to get flexibility to gain new points. Just because you have the ability to gain a point here, just like this, doesn't mean necessarily you should, because your next rolls could be very awkward. For instance, a 3-1, for instance. What do? You have to leave a shot with a 3-1. There's not much else you can do. And then it could be worse. If you don't cover, you may have to leave another shot. It can get very awkward very quickly. So rather than do that, we can simply add another builder onto 5. Gives us a lot more options to make safe points. Maybe even keep other builders. Bring a builder down, something like that. A 5-2. A 5-3, bring another builder in, unstack your midpoint, and you gain more flexibility with future points. This is what Robertie's play is. I like it. Let's talk about what XG has to say. I'll be back with that analysis in just a moment. And we're back with our XG analysis of this problem. In this problem, Black is being asked to play a 5-3. White has 166 pip count. Black has 143, playing a 5-3. We're well ahead of our opponent. Race is not too much of an issue. The question is, do we make this 5-point? Do we come down with 13-8, 13-10, or do we run to the 5? And as Robertie said, we run to the 5. So XG found the same exact thing Robertie did, 13 to 5, and it's the same in every variation of match play as well. I've done all the analysis. This is the table for unlimited games. You can see it's actually a blunder to do anything else. 13-10, 13-8, or 8-3, 6-3 to make the 8-3, 6-3, making the 3-point is a huge blunder. Take a look at that, 19.2% equity loss, enormous. It's enough to swing a game. So 13-5, clearly the best play here. Not a completely obvious immediately, but now that you see it, hopefully you'll see it in future iterations of matches that you play and games that you play. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you want to see more videos, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos, and we'll be posting one a day to the end of the series. Thanks for watching.